Receiving our assignment prompt, we threw ideas around, built clay models to spur ideas, picked our top 3 choices, and built half-scale cardboard models, then allowed the kids to play with our half-scale cardboard models. And from their feedback, we chose the best toy, which was the twisty tubes.
We came together as a group to create a product for all ages of children. The project, Twisty Tubes, encompasses 2 physics principles, exploring with both velocity and motion, as well as wind and air movement. We experimented as a group with many different design solutions before we discovered the path we went down, exploring how children are able to build and create their own experiments, while implementing these basic physics principles to teach young children.
Some challenges we encountered during this project. The first one was time management. We had many meetings outside of class as a group, so it was hard to find an exact time where all of us could meet up with our classing schedules and along with the weather. And then our second one was finalizing the designs. We had many different integrations of the product, so being able to make all the CAD files and figuring out how we would make everything work was kind of difficult.
Many issues, such as weight, what sort of tubing to use, storage for all of the parts, how to incorporate air pumps, whether to include handles, and many other things. CAD files, use 2D RhinoCam to generate G-code for the CNC router to cut all of the wood pieces, sanded and drilled all of the necessary holes, sprayed on a clear coat, and then assembled the whole toy. After that, we machined chamfers on the tubes, and then let the children play with the final assembled toy.
At the final open house, there was an argument over who gets to use the fan. This could be resolved by using the 2 fans instead of 1 if we were to further this project.
During the open house, we saw children incorporating the T-joints to split the design and create branching designs that go across the base. The T-joint also worked well to incorporate the pump. The children could put in pom-poms and cover the hole to allow air to push them through the tubes.
Thought about a box as a base, and I think that it really became a place to start for these kids, and as they continue to play with it, they'll obviously, grow and may not use the box as much, but it's having somewhere to start is essential.
It was a good foundation for sure.
Fan was really essential because they could use it inside the box, and then when they took it out is really when they get creative with it.
But it definitely took 2 or more children to be able to take the things out of the box, but when it was in the box, they could work by themselves as well.
I think they, helped each other learn too. One person learns this, the other child also learns it at the same time. So I think that helped accelerate their interest.